Okay, so here is one of the houses that we were helping move stuff. You can see the truck is flipped over. And there's their house. You can see the pantry, the food cabinets actually have food in them, but the cabinet doors are off. And the trees are just snapped like little twiggies. And here's the neighbor across the street, and this is a little elderly lady, and she's actually still living in this. So, and you just see devastation everywhere. You can see little smoke piles. People are just bulldozing everything to the
Yeah, I'm gonna drive the van up there and
to
talk to them.
the
Talk to them. Okay.
It says 519 on the building.
to be burning the stuff. And they do piles of metal because the metal people are coming by to buy it. There's actually a pillow in that tree, and if you look back here, you can see just all this stuff caught all in the fence. You can just see all of this stuff is just mangled, and the devastation is just horrific. So this is it, and we have one house that's livable, just one. That's it. He's missing part of his roof, but every single neighbor around him lost it all. So I'll take you down to the next house. There goes the Rama van with Mr. Pete driving. Dude is a psychotic driver. I'm just kidding. He's great. And then we have, here's a house, or what was a house. And here's another house. Or, I mean, trees. This is another house. Just gone. There's once was their garage. It's totally just gone. So anyway, we got a lot of debris moved today, and went to a local church and folded a lot of clothes for people in need. So believe it or not, there's actually people that do not want help. They just want to be left alone. So that's what we did if they didn't want help. So anyway, this is it. For miles and miles. It actually, the tornado went down the road is what it looked like. It literally just went down the road. But this is only a fraction of what is going on here where we're at.